Ever been stranded with a dead car battery and get frustrated while trying to start the car engine? Can one compact device really jumpstart your vehicle and get you back on the road in seconds? Let's dive into Schumacher SC1281, automatic battery charger and jump starter, and see if it lives up to the hype. About the product: a single device that charges, maintains, tests, and restores batteries, works with both gas and diesel vehicles, and supports 12-volt and 6-volt batteries. Charges in stages, stops when full, and switches to maintenance mode. Built-in tester checks battery and alternator, prevents wrong connections, and detects bad batteries, restores batteries for better performance and longer life. If you are interested in picking up Schumacher automatic battery charger and jump starter, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Parts description: it includes wrap cleats for cord storage, digital display, LED indicators, color-coded battery clamps, and push-button control. Using method: Step 1. Charge the Schumacher. First thing we need to do is connect the battery and plug the charger into a standard AC power outlet, and you can see the voltage of the battery you're connecting to. Now select the battery type and size and the type of charge we want, fast or slow. The battery type is selected here: calcium battery types, AGM or gel. When the battery is fully charged, the green ready light will come on. At this point, the charger moves into maintain mode and can be left connected, keeping the battery ready for use indefinitely. Step 2. Connect to the battery. Connect the positive, red HD battery clamp to the positive battery terminal. Connect the negative, black HD battery clamp to the negative battery terminal or vehicle chassis. Step 3. Jump starting. Power on the unit. Connect the red and black clamps to the battery. Start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, disconnect the clamps in reverse order to disconnect the device. Advanced features: fully automatic, advanced diagnostics, built-in safety, multi-stage charging. Specifications: safety precautions: if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check the link in description to grab your Schumacher automatic battery charger and jump starter. Thanks for watching.